as part of sound progression?
Yeah.
Since January.
About, yeah.
How's that been?
We're just trying to engage with the young people. I get like a little circle.
Right.
I mean, the circle of young people around here interested in the music.
Hello.
So this is two of my young people who do the beats with me.
You alright?
Yeah.
That was in boys, you good?
Yeah.
You make beats?
Yeah.
Oh, what kind?
That's my apprentice right there.
I don't know any. I'm trying.
Any?
I'm trying. So I made this.
You made this, yeah? Okay.
Yeah. You do you. You're the interviewer, remember? Unfortunately, you can't act like this if you're the interviewer, but you've got to sit up, you've got to be proper.
You've got to set an example.
Exactly.
Are you going to interview Jack?
He is.
What's your name?
So, my name's Jack. I go by JR Beats. And I'm a DJ, producer, and studio mentor here at EASTMOORS.
What age did you start doing stuff like music and stuff? Or got interested?
So, interest was always there from a young age, from childhood. Like I said, my grandparents. They all played by ear, and none of them read music. It was all done off by ear. So I sort of grew up around that from early age, childhood. I was in projects in Newport learning beat making, lyric writing, rapping. It was very similar to what sound progression do.
What is it like being a mentor to people like me?
What's it like being a mentor to young people?
Yeah.
Yourself?
Yeah,
So since January, the first song I ever made with him was this one.
You're making music, but you're also building a young person's confidence as well. You're building their social skills. You're building their life skills, you know, through creative arts.
Yeah, go on.
I feel good doing it because I know where I came from. I think it's knowing that I came from a similar background. What's it like for you being mentored by someone like me?
It feels cool, to be fair. If you like music a lot, which I do, I think a person who likes music should get mentored.
Hey!